Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV, guys. So today I'm gonna make a salad. So guys, come with me as I make this salad. So I'm using lettuce in the salad. So I'm using some Romanian lettuce. So first I cut off the bottom part of the lettuce. I pick off anything that is on it that is not good. I'm gonna separate them. Wash. So guys, I always take off the outer part of my lettuce. I don't use the first couple of root leaves because I don't want to use where, you know, not a lot of people touch everything in the store, even though this was in our bag, but I rather take off the outside. So now that the lettuce is clean, I'm gonna use some cucumber. So I'm gonna peel the cucumber, guys. Guys, I'm trying to eat healthy. I'm trying very hard. I like sweet stuff, solid sweet, not liquid sweet. So I'm trying hard not to eat a lot of sweet stuff, to cut back on sweets, and to make more salad and stuff without a lot of carb. And for some of us, we are from Caribbean country and we like a lot of carb, like dumpling and yam and those stuff, wherein I realize it's not good for us. Too much is not good. So guys, I'm trying to change my diet. This cucumber is ripe, so I don't know. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna take out the seed. So just peel it. So guys, please comment, subscribe and share, and I thank you for all the subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. So guys, I'm gonna put some black beans inside this salad and some chickpeas, garbanzo bean. So guys, right here I'm just gonna take out the seed out of this one because it's ripe. So you just use a spoon. Let me grab a spoon, guys. So you just grab a spoon and scrape out the seed. If you don't want to use the cucumber seed, just use a spoon and scrape out the seed out of it. Sorry guys if you hear noise, I'm close to the street. Take out the seed. So this is a healthy choice for lunch or dinner. You just scrape out the seed. If you want to use the seed, guys, you can. Sometimes I use the seed, or most of the time I use the seed, but because it's a little bit ripe, so that's why I take out the seed. Alright guys, so guys, I'm gonna use some sweet pepper, some arugula. I have some leftover arugula, so I'm gonna use that also. So, but I'm gonna go through it, guys, off camera to pick out some of them because some of them is going bad. So this is another piece of cucumber I have in my fridge. I'm gonna take out the seed out of it. I have a sweet pepper, and I'm gonna put some pineapple, guys. So I'm gonna use half of a sweet pepper. Yes guys, I know I have a cutting board, but I like to hold my food when I'm cutting them. I don't like to really use a cutting board. So I think I'm gonna use all the pepper. And I'm gonna use some baked chicken, guys. I have some breaded baked chicken. So I'm just gonna put that in the oven and I'm gonna use it also. So I take out the seed. And I'm gonna use some pineapple. I don't have a lot of tomato today, guys. I just have a handful of tomato. So I just put that right here. Let's move this bowl and put it somewhere else while I cut up. So I'm gonna cut the pineapple. Alright guys, I'm not gonna put all this pineapple in the salad, guys. I'm gonna put some in my freezer to make a smoothie. Guys, as soon as you buy these stuff out of the supermarket, if you don't use them right away, they start to spoil. I don't know why. They're in the supermarket, they look nice and fresh, but as soon as you bring them home, they start to spoil. So I'm cutting out this part out of it. I'm gonna take out the middle part. I think this probably is very sweet because it's a little bit overripe. So I'm gonna take out the middle part, guys, and I'm gonna cut this up in the salad. So I take out the middle. It's very sweet, guys. Take out the heart. There you go, guys. I'm gonna cut this up in the salad. And now I have some garbanzo beans, chickpeas, some black beans. Everything going in my sink, guys, and then I'm gonna throw it in the garbage. And so, guys, I'm gonna cut these and I'm gonna wash them off. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. So guys, this channel is only about doing simple stuff, guys. So there was a time we do cooking. Don't do big cooking anymore, guys. So we have to cut back on carb the older we get. So guys, I'm just gonna wash this off, and once I wash it off with some cold water, I'll be back, guys. So guys, so right here, I just wash the bean off. But these beans have a lot of preservative and salt. So you just rinse off the bean with cold water. Right, see guys? Just rinse them off with the cold water, and then I'm gonna put it to drain off, guys. So put it in a bowl and let it drain, guys. And I'm gonna pick out this one. I'm gonna wash the rest of stuff, guys. Okay guys, so I'm washing off the lettuce with some cold water. Once I wash them, I'm gonna let them, even though the lettuce is cold under, guys, it's not to wash them. So I'm gonna just wash these and let them drain off. Once they drain off, guys, I'm gonna break them up and cook them up and cut them up. They just wash everything, guys. So I'm gonna put this to drain, and then I'm gonna cut them up, guys. So guys, I'm gonna do the arugula. So guys, the arugula, some of them start to change color. So guys, you could just pick them out. Arugula is very nice, guys. Some people don't like it, but I like them. It have a tangy, peppery kind of taste, and I think it's healthy. Some people, guys, don't buy your stuff and eat them out the container just so, guys. Wash your stuff I don't know if I'm gonna get much out of this because a lot of them change in color. But I'm gonna try use the most that I can get out of it. Go through your stuff, guys, and pick out, because there are foreign stuff in these things that is not healthy for you. Some of the leaf is still good, so I'm just picking out what I want out of it, and I'm gonna throw out the rest. I guess that's it, guys. You know, and so I'm gonna just wash these few. It's like a handful, guys, but that's enough. Just wash them, show them in your salad. Alright, guys, so now that I finished prep the vegetable and the salad, guys, I will be back, guys. So okay, guys, I'm gonna put some chicken breast, hot breaded chicken breast in the oven. So what I'm gonna use as protein for the salad is some chickpeas, some black beans, and some breaded chicken. So I'm gonna just put these in the oven. So when this is baked, I'm gonna cut them up, guys, and go put them on the salad. So there you go, guys. I'm gonna cut these up, and I'm gonna put them in the oven to bake. And after that, I'm gonna cut it up and put it on the salad, guys. So now I'll be back, guys. So I'm gonna put the chicken in the oven. And now I'm gonna cut up the salad, guys. So I'm gonna cut up the cucumber. Just cube up the cucumber, guys. Maybe I'm gonna do the lettuce first. Yes, this is not a lot of salad, guys, so I'm gonna use up all of it today. So I'm just gonna cut it up. Usually I use my finger to break it up, but today I'm just gonna cut it up, guys. So just cut them up. Drain them off, guys. Wash them and drain them off, and then you just cut it up. This is healthy, guys. Not a lot of carb. Just using the chickpeas and black beans for the carb. Cut up the cucumber now. This can be a healthy dinner or lunch, whichever you want to use this for, guys. So this gonna be either for lunch or dinner. I don't know what time, but most likely it's for lunch and dinner. Since once I do this, I'm not cooking. I'm trying to eat healthy, guys, because I heard diabetes is raging. I don't know, and I definitely don't want to walk in that line. So I make up my mind to change my diet by cutting back on carb and make more protein and salad. If I even use carb, it's just a little bit, not everyday thing. So you just put your cucumber. And today I'm gonna add, I'm gonna add some pineapple. Use some yellow pepper. Yes, guys, if you're still watching, guys, please comment, subscribe, and share. If you so choose to share this video, share it. struggling with diabetes, I think this is a healthy choice because the beans is high in fiber, so it won't spike your sugar that much. And sometimes, I don't want to give advice protein, but just try to eat healthy as you can, guys. If you can tolerate a lot of salad in your plate, do that. If you can eat them raw, eat them raw. If you can steam them, steam them. And what I realize in my house, when I steam vegetable, no one eat it. But sometimes when I do it raw, like salad, they tend to eat that. When you go to the restaurant, sometimes you pay like $16 for a salad. I'm like, if I'm gonna spend $16 for a salad, I could make the same thing. So there is a place that we buy food from, salad stuff, like with the same thing like what I'm doing now, and it costs so much money. So you know, if I make this, I spend that $16, I make this myself. I can eat out of this 2 times. So it works out cheaper than to buy the one that they make in this restaurant. So there you go, guys. Just cut up your stuff in there. Healthy. Guys, sometimes you eat these stuff and it don't make you full up. But guess what? If you eat and you're full at that time, that's alright. If you get hungry again, you eat some more. So there you go, guys. And now I'm gonna cut up a piece of the pineapple in there to give it a little bit of sweetness. Don't put too much pineapple, guys, because this is still sugar, and although it's healthy sugar, but you don't need to put a lot. Yes, guys, this is the first time I make salad with pineapple, so I guess it will come out good. It's a huge bowl, guys, so I'm gonna put a little bit more pineapple, not a lot, just this one piece. I take out the heart, take out the middle part, guys, because that part is kind of hard, so you don't want to have that in the salad. Alright, guys, let me put away this knife. I don't like to see knife on counter. And the peas is already, the beans is already washed and drained, so you just put that in. And because my hand is already clean, I just washed my hand is clean. So guys, there's nothing wrong with you taking your hand to mix up your salad, because your hand is clean. So you just mix up everything together. Mix everything together, guys. Turn over everything in the bowl, because you want to put the bean all over. So there you go, guys. Healthy. You want to lose weight? This is one of the ways you can lose weight, by making the salad. So this is a very huge bowl. This is a big bowl of salad, guys. So this can be. So guys, while my beef, I said my beef. Why is the chicken is baking? I'll put this up, cover this up, and go and wash up all the dirty dishes that I just used. So there you go, guys. Healthy choice. Instead of spending $13 and $16 to buy a bowl of salad, you just buy your stuff and make it yourself. So alright, guys, I'll check you back later, guys, when I'm finished with the chicken. Alright. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna use the rest of pineapple. Just put it in my bullets and blend it out, guys. I'm either gonna drink it, or I can use it on my chicken, guys, and my salad. So this is another way. You can either put it, I'm gonna put it in a bottle. So there you go, guys. I blend this out. Sorry for the noise. Hope I can figure out how to edit out the knife. And I'm gonna pour it into a bottle, guys. So I'm gonna pour it in here, and I probably can use it on my salad. Alright, guys, so here you go. I don't know why the light is so dark. I have a light, guys, but the light is not showing well. So here you go. I'm gonna use it on the salad. So yes, guys, there you go, guys. The chicken is done, finished baking. So guys, I'm gonna wait until it cool down before I cut it up because it's too hot, so it's not gonna cut up. So I'm gonna wait until it cool down and then I'm gonna cut it up. Alright, guys, so when I'm back, I'll be back. The next time you hear me, guys, is when I'm putting my salad in my bowl and adding my chicken. Alright, guys. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna put my salad in my bowl. You're making a big bowl, guys. Putting some sweet pepper in there, some of the beans, some of pineapple. I think I'm gonna use a pineapple for here goes the chicken, guys. I'm watching my salt intake, so I'm not putting a lot, so just a little bit. So there you go. Watch salt intake, guys. So, whoops. So guys, I'm gonna use some of the pineapple that I blend up as my salad dressing. So there you go, guys. Healthy salad. So for salad dressing, I use a pineapple, the puree pineapple, guys. So if you're still watching, guys, please comment, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please, guys, comment, subscribe, and share. Take care of yourself until next time, and walk good. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. All right, take care. All right, bye-bye.